Here's the front wheel of the Kayo. We're gonna fix a little problem here. Let me see if I can get in here and show it. You will notice on the brake rotor, the large brake disc, the outer edge of the disc isn't engaging the pads on the caliper. Right, so what we need to do is move the caliper out further. These are radial mount, which means if we loosen the bolt, hopefully you can see it there, loosen the bolt and back it out a little bit, we can get it to engage all of the rotor out there. How we do that is to put a spacer, basically a washer, in here to space it out. Okay, finished with the front here. You've been put in the spacers. You will now see silver spacers. Those are just washers. That moved this out about 2 millimeters, and the brake disc is no longer rubbing against the caliper body. We were spinning it. There were certain positions along the wheel where it was just kissing the brake caliper. Now it spins, nothing is contacting the brake caliper and seems to work now.